Welcome to our channel to dive into an exciting journey with the strangest insect. Stick insects are nature's masters of disguise. Their bodies have evolved to mimic twigs, leaves, and bark with incredible accuracy. Some species even sway back and forth to mimic branches moving in the wind. This camouflage is so effective that predators often walk right past them without noticing. When camouflage fails, stick insects have some bizarre tricks up their sleeves. Some species can release a foul-smelling chemical spray from glands on their thorax. Others have spines or barbs that make them difficult to swallow. Perhaps strangest of all, some stick insects can detach their own limbs to escape predators, a process called autotomy. Stick insects have some of the oddest reproductive strategies in the insect world. Many species can reproduce parthenogenetically, meaning females can lay viable eggs without mating. In some species, males are extremely rare or even non-existent. Even stranger, some stick insects can actually clone themselves, producing genetically identical offspring. The bodies of stick insects can be truly bizarre. Some species have exaggerated, leaf-like appendages that make them look like walking plants. Others have bodies covered in moss-like growths. The longest insect in the world is a species of stick insect that can reach over 60 centimeters in length. Some even have wings, despite looking like twigs. From their incredible camouflage to their strange defensive tactics and unusual reproduction, stick insects are truly some of nature's weirdest creatures. These living twigs remind us that evolution can produce some truly bizarre and wonderful adaptations. Next time you're in nature, look closely, you might just spot one of these strange insects hiding in plain sight. Physical adaptations. Body shape mimicry, elongated, twig-like bodies with knobby sections resembling leaf nodes. Texture replication, bark-like skin patterns, complete with faux lichen and moss growths. Color-changing abilities, some species can adjust their coloration to match their surroundings. Leaf mimicry, flattened, leaf-shaped bodies with veins and even fake leaf damage. Behavioral camouflage. Stick-like swaying, rocking motion to mimic leaves and twigs in the wind. Freezing behavior, remaining absolutely motionless for hours when sensing danger. Positional camouflage, aligning their bodies parallel to branches for optimal blending. Species-specific adaptations. Giant prickly stick insect, thorny protrusions mimic plant spines. Leaf insect, uncanny resemblance to specific leaf types, complete with midribs and leaf margins. Moss mimic walking stick, body covered in moss-like growths for forest floor camouflage. Evolutionary marvels. Convergent evolution, similar camouflage strategies evolved independently in different species. Selective pressure, predation driving the development of ever more precise mimicry. Coevolution, stick insects evolving alongside their host plants for perfect matching. Camouflage effectiveness. Predator evasion rates, studies showing up to 90% reduction in predation due to camouflage. Human perception tests, experiments demonstrating how easily humans overlook camouflaged stick insects. Predator vision consideration, adaptations accounting for bird and reptile visual perception.
Subscribe to the channel to receive all that is new. Help us spread the content by sharing the video with your friends.